Hey guys, welcome back to the How Many More channel with me, Kip. So today we've got a big one breaking down all the latest and best releases coming from the Jordan brand in 2022. And trust me, there's some big ones that you're not going to want to miss. But we're going to have a little twist where we're going to be excluding the Jordan 4s because we just dropped you the whole video called The Year of the Jordan 4. And if you haven't watched it yet, then you can check that out now. And that will be showing you all the releases of the Jordan 4s coming this year and all those that have already dropped. So first up in our big releases coming from the Jordan brand in 2022 is a collaboration with Travis Scott. And of course, we've seen some big ones already. And I think this one is going to be up there with some of the best ones. So this is the Jordan 1 Low Travis Reverse Mocha. And these are coming July 21st in all sizes. So these come in a Sail University Red Ridge Rock colorway. And these are kind of a reverse of the Travis AJ1 Low Black Mocha that we already saw a few years ago. And those were a fire drop, so these I think could be up there. I don't know, which one are you thinking? The reverse mocha or the black mocha? Let us know in the comments. So these are going to have some of the classic Travis Scott features that we've seen on some of the other collabs already. So for example, we have the oversized backward facing swoosh in the tumbled leather in a sail color, and that is to match the laces and the midsole in the same colorway. We also have some of the other signature Travis details like the Cactus Jack logo on the tongue, as well as the side panel and the sock liner. We've also got this mocha, or ridge rock as it's known, nubuck material on the upper and on the toe box to match, and that's also matching with the colorway of the tongue and the outsole, which contrasts very nicely with the white leather overlays as well as the swoosh on the inside of the shoe, which is different to the outside of the shoe. So the back heel tabs also have the red Air Jordan Wings logo on the right shoe, and on the left shoe we got the Travis face logo on the left to match with the red logo on the tongue. So these are going to be a big drop, and I'm anticipating a lot of L's, and I'm anticipating that I'm going to be entering a lot of raffles.
Oh shit, here we go again.
But we'll see. For me, these are probably top two that are going to be coming this year. So next up we have another big release, and that is the Jordan 1 High Chicago Reimagined. They're going to be rumored to be dropping on October the 29th, and these are coming in a red, black, and kind of sail muslin sort of colorway, which is replacing what looks like the white and what was originally the white colorway. And that is for a good reason, which we'll break down. But first, we need a little history of the shoe. So these dropped as Michael Jordan's signature shoe in 1985, and I think they've been recreated and re-released a few times by the Jordan brand, with the last one being in 2015. Which I had a look just before I started filming. They're reselling for around £2,000. So if you can get these for retail, then you're winning. Whether you decide to keep them or you want to resell, that's kind of up to you. For me, if I get them, I'm definitely going to be wearing them. But either way, I think that makes these a must cop. So Nike obviously trying to recreate the effect of time since its original release, with the original 85 silhouette of the shoe with a pre-aged vintage look. And that is done with the cracked leather that you can see on the upper as well as on the collar, and then that sail muslin colorway instead of a white, which gives that kind of more pre-aged look. And that's all rounded off with the Chicago red overlays and outsole, and the black swoosh and winged Air Jordan logo to complete the look. So next up, we've got another Jordan 1 High release with the Jordan 1 Gorge Green. So these are rumored to be dropping November the 12th. And these are looking like a kind of continuation from last year's Bordeaux release, with the exact same shape and color blocking of the shoe, with the same silver swoosh and winged Air Jordan logo. We've still got the same white leather upper with a straight swap of the burgundy upper overlays from the Bordeaux shoe, now from that kind of burgundy color to this Gorge Green on the upper and on the outsole to round off the look. Okay, I'm not only going to give you Jordan 1s, now I'm going to move on to some Jordan 6s with the Jordan 6 Black Chrome. These are rumored to be dropping November the 19th, and they come in a black and metallic silver colorway. So these are said to be inspired by the Chrome AJ6 lows, which last dropped in 2015. And I kind of noticing a theme here from Nike with these kind of remakes from 2015, as we saw with the Chicago Reimagined. So in terms of the detail on these have got this black nubuck on the upper, so kind of almost like that suede or kind of smooth suede look to them. Then we also have the metallic silver details on the tongue and the heel and the midsole, and then what appears to be a translucent outsole. So overall, I think this is a nice kind of classic sort of colorway with the black combined with the chrome. I think these would go well with a lot of different outfits as well. So these are up there. I think I'm liking these as a potential cop. Next up, coming a little later in the year, we've got a couple of Jordan 11s that are dropping. So first up, we've got the Jordan 11 Cherry, which are rumoured to be dropping December the 10th. And these are coming in a white, varsity red and black colourway. So the annual Jordan 11 Christmas tradition is back. Last year we had the Cool Greys and the Jubilees in 2020. So here we have the Cool Greys that dropped last year in December. And then we also had the Jubilees that dropped in 2020. So again, both really cool sneakers, and Jordan brand are continuing the trend this year with more Jordan 11 drops. So in terms of the features of these, just like the previous Jordan 11 drops that we've had, these are coming with some classic features. So we've got the mesh upper as usual, and that are going to be in white on this one. And we also have the pattern leather upper panels that are going to come in a varsity or cherry red as it may be known. We've also got the red collar, rear panels and Jumpman logo to match all in red. And we also have the white midsoles and translucent outsole. Now, I'll definitely be trying to add these to the collection, as I'm a fan of the AJ11, as you can see by the kind of building up of the collection here over the last few years. And I've also got to add, these are hella comfortable, the Jordan 11. So I'd recommend, if you're looking for some comfort as well, then you might want to get in line for these. Moving on to another Jordan 11 release, and this time with the Midnight Navy. So these are rumoured to be dropping November the 25th. These are coming in a midnight navy with metallic silver and white colorway. Like I said, I like the Jordan 11s a lot, and these are no different for me. So these are due for a Black Friday release this year, and unfortunately for me, these are a women's exclusive drop. But I gotta say, I think they're cool, and I kind of wish they were a men's, but it is what it is.
You won, Jane?
Oh my God.
I hope it makes you very happy. But I hope now you spend it on getting some lessons in grace and decorum, because you have all the grace of a reversing dump truck without any tyres on.
I'm just going to have to go for the cherry reds.
So
in terms of the detailing and the features on these, they're a little different to some of the other Jordan 11 releases that we've had. So we've got a midnight navy mesh upper with a midnight navy velvet panel replacing the usual pattern leather that we see on a lot of the other Jordan 11 drops. And we also got the metallic silver detailing on the tongue, on the rear collar and on the Jumpman logo. And just like with the cherries, we have a white midsole and that ice blue translucent outsole to finish off the shoe. Okay, I gave you a little break from the Jordan 1, but I didn't say we won't come back to it. So next up, we've got another release of the Jordan 1 highs, this time the Jordan 1 Stealth High. And these are rumoured to be dropping July the 16th, and they are coming in a stealth grey and white colourway. So we've got this two-toned colourway with a white leather upper and a stealth grey leather overlays and swoosh, as well as the laces. Then we've got kind of this cool detailing with like the embossed wing Jordan logo on the ankle. Now we've got another Jordan 6 with the Jordan 6 Georgetowns, and these are rumoured to be dropping September 3rd, and the colours are called Magnet and College Navy on these. In terms of the detailing on these, we've got a magnet grey suede making up the whole of the upper of the shoe with matching laces and tongue, and then we've got the College Navy detailing on the lace lock, on the heel tab, midsole, and on the rear Jumpman logo with a translucent outsole. Okay, so we've had a couple of Jordan 1 highs, we've had a Jordan 1 low, so now we've got a Jordan 1 mid. Yeah, I said it, but hold on a minute. These are fire, okay?
That is blasphemous!
You are a liar, actress.
Oh, God!
So, these are the Jordan 1 mid mocha toes that are rumoured to be dropping in 2022. We don't have an exact date yet, but as always, stay locked into the channel and we'll let you know whenever we know they're dropping. And these are coming in a mocha black and white colourway. So these are a little different from the dark mocha Jordan 1 highs that dropped a few years ago, as these ones actually have a fully canvas upper instead of leather. So we've got the white canvas upper with black overlays that has matching laces and the swoosh. And then we've got dark mocha overlays on the toe box, on the tongue and on the heel. And this is all finished off with this nice white midsole and mocha outsole. So it doesn't look like the Jordan brand is slowing down anytime soon with the amount of sneakers that are dropping in various colorways, and especially with all the collaborations that are coming as well. So the good thing is that gives us plenty of choice, plenty of options, especially with the amount of L's I'm sure we're all taking. But anyway, make sure you stay up to date with all the latest releases. So subscribe to the channel, make sure you're following us on Instagram, and until next time, peace.